guys, hello, how are you? Okay, I know I haven't posted any content for a long time, but I had a problem with the internet. But now, after I solved it, I will post a lot of video in the next time. So, today's video we're gonna talk about the best NVIDIA scenes for Fortnite, or for the all games generally. Like Fortnite, Code, or any another game, because this NVIDIA scenes for the best in performance. Basically, this video we're not talking about plus 200 frames of your PC frames. No, this video will help you to get the best performance on your PC. So first thing first, we're gonna open the NVIDIA control panel settings. Of course, NVIDIA for the graphic card NVIDIA. If you have another graphic card like CMD or anything else, you're not gonna have this control panel settings that I will talk about. But for the NVIDIA graphic card settings, you're gonna right click on the desktop and you'll find it right here, NVIDIA control panel. So if you didn't find it right here, you can go here in the search and type control panel, and you're gonna see it right here, NVIDIA control panel. And if you didn't find it right here, so you need to install it. You need to install this, the NVIDIA GeForce Experience from the Google. You're gonna go to Google and you're gonna search about NVIDIA GeForce Experience right here, and download it from this link. I'll put the link in the description of the video. So the best NVIDIA control panel settings for games. First thing first, you're gonna come here in this page, adjust image settings with preview. You're gonna come here, mark this circle, use my pencil facing, and it will be right here in balance. You will put it right here in performance, and come back here again and mark this circle. Use the advanced 3D image settings. After that, you're gonna come here and copy all my settings. The image sharpening off, you're not gonna need it. If you need the FPS, you're gonna put it off, and you need to put all these settings on off, this none, and off all ultra. This a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers saying to put this on off, but if you have a good PC, medium performance and above, put it on or ultra. After that, go down. The max frame rate, you're not gonna need it, put it off, and the OpenGL rendering GPU, put here your GPU. It will be like auto select, left click and select your NVIDIA graphic card. So after that, put this on prefer maximum performance. The shader cache, put it on. This all settings on, allow. The quality, put it on high performance. Be careful, not high quality, high performance, because you need the FPS, not quality. All pro gamers will need FPS, not quality. So these things will be on, off, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames, put it on 1. And after that, click apply, and come here on the physics configuration and put it like, you can put it auto select, it's recommended from your PC, or you can put it on your graphic card. My graphic card is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 150 Ti. Apply, and after that you're gonna come here. If you didn't find this setting, you come to the desktop and apply it from here. So this end will put it like allow access to the GPU performance counter to all the users. So after that you can close it, and congratulations, you have the best NVIDIA control panel settings for the games. By the way, I use these settings from like 4 or 5 seasons in Fortnite, so try it yourself. Okay, that's all the video guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in another video.